preoperative radiographs showing the bone defects. This is after 1 month of the surgery. The calcium hydroxyapatites are in situ. After 3 months, the bone starts forming. This is a surgery. This was done over the patient named Ruby Mondol. He was 18 years old, a male patient. Here you can see that we have added an implant with the HAP granules. The suturing procedures are going on and the patient is happy. The X-ray showing impacted canine. This is the tooth in situ. This is the tooth outside the mouth. This is the implant well in place. This is the hydroxyapatite granules. And this is the X-ray showing after the surgery.
I can even have biryani and tough bones with it, so there is no problem.
This is an endoperiodontal lesion showing the area where we have put the regenerative materials. The GTR membrane is in situ. The sutures has already been done and the periodontal pack has been given, and this is the post-operative result, and the patient is happy with the situation.
Here are few opinions of the specialists.
There is a good osteoconductive material, so the result is always comfortable and favorable.
I have found an ease of handling and patient compatibility, in the sense that there are no adverse reactions in any of the cases that I have treated, and so far no patient has complained of any problems whatsoever.
Post-operative condition, there is no problem.
In comparison to the other brands, I find this much more predictable outcome, and the bone formation is much quicker within 1.5 to 2 months.
I am satisfied. This particular material is basically patient friendly.
I have found that the resorption rate is much better in case of Vita TCB with HA, as well as the material consistency becomes far more better manipulable when I am using HA along with Vita TCB than the HA alone. And it has been found even in the studies that Vita TCB, though being a osteoconductive material, it has got some potential to convert some bit of osteoporotic cells into osteoporotic proliferation.
Biograft bone regenerative materials are safe and effective for variety of clinical applications. Here are some of the uses with reference to dentistry and oral and maxillofacial applications. Filling of post-extraction socket, alveolar ridge augmentation, treatment of periodontal defects, sinus floor elevations, alveolar ridge preservation, filling bony void defects, root amputation defects, treatment for ridge reconstruction, formation of hard tissue base for dental implant, surgical reconstruction in oral and maxillofacial surgeries, treatment of defect following endodontic surgeries, filling donor site bony effects. Biograft bone substitute regenerative materials are also used by orthopedic surgeons wherever loss of natural bone is found to have occurred, particularly for filling voids, containment of infections, etc. Here are some of the methods for application of Biograph bone regenerative materials. Application of Biograph bone substitute regenerative materials is extremely convenient in as much as granules are to be placed directly on application area and wetted with patient's blood, saline solution followed by sutures. The porous structure promotes colonization of osteogenic cells from the patient's blood. Biograph bone substitute regenerative materials may also be used in conjunction with resorbable and non-resorbable membrane for guided tissue regeneration. Final words.
I'm using Biograph since last 3 years or so. It has given me a very good experience. I've done lots of cases with Biograph.
The number of cases which I have done it with this graph, they have shown a satisfactory healing.
My experience is always a comfortable experience because the bone graft material, as a bone graft material, alloplastic HA, it is always a good osteoconductive material. I always use in the periodontal defects. Sometimes I use in the bony defects also. Say for example, endodontic cases where there is a bony lesion. My colleague, those who have used this, they have not. I think they have no adverse comments about this.
Hydroxyapatite alone is usually reserved for post-extraction cases where you fill up the sockets with hydroxyapatite, and the combination of beta-tricalcium phosphate and hydroxyapatite works well in periodontal defects, larger defects especially, where we have got better results. In general, whichever cases are treated have generally responded well. The patients have been very happy with the outcome of the treatment.
My experience is very good. I'm using it for last 6-7 years. Actually, I'm using it since it is procured by CGCRI. It is produced in their laboratory. I have a long series of Biograph material which is being used in our institute, in government sector as well as in private sector.
Sales, okay, fine. I'm using last 1 year. They are satisfactory.
I have been using for quite a long time and with different types of patients in different types of cases, and it's fantastic. You see.
To conclude, Biograph bone substitute materials are clinically proven, dependable, convenient to use, reasonably priced, and available in wide range of micron sizes and preform shapes. Increased use of this indigenously developed cost-effective bone substitute material is sought for the benefit of the society at large. Thank you.